Hi everyone, Jasio again, and today we're going to make a lava lamp. So you'll need a few things. I have a glass, a clear glass so that you can see everything. You're going to need some water. You're going to need some sort of fizzy tablet, like an Alka-Seltzer tablet or an Antacid tablet, just something that fizzes up when you drop it in water. You're going to want some food coloring. You can use one color, you can add more. I'm going to use a bunch of colors. And you're going to need some cooking oil. So, I originally used canola oil for this experiment, but I found that it was too dark and it wasn't as easy to see the food color droplets, so I switched to vegetable oil this time since it's much lighter. I will start by pouring about a third of the glass worth of vegetable oil. That's definitely more than a third, but let's see how that comes out. Next, I'm going to pour in some water. And pour it in slowly. You'll quickly notice that the water and oil separated into two layers, and even though I poured the water second, it is now at the bottom of the glass. So this is for two reasons. One, oil is less dense than water, so it'll always rise on top of it. And two, water is a polar molecule, meaning that it is slightly charged. It's got a negative charge where the oxygen molecule is, and a positive charge where the hydrogen molecules are, sort of that V shape. Whereas oil is a non-polar molecule. It's long chains and there is no particular charge anywhere. So non-polar molecules will stick with non-polar molecules and polar molecules will stick with polar molecules. So these guys don't really want to hang out together. That's why they don't mix. Next, I'm going to add a lot of food coloring droplets. I'm going to do like, oh, that one's running out. I have a backup. There we go. You can see that the droplets sunk to the bottom with the water. That is because food coloring, has the same density as water, so it's going to go down with the water. It's not going to mix with the oil, since food coloring is also polar. Now, for our fizzing tablets. So I'm going to get one tablet, and I'm going to break it up into a couple pieces. Well, it already broke itself, so it's easier for me. I'm going to start dropping them in. And let's watch. And once it starts to slow down, I'll drop in my other two pieces. So you can see that now the food coloring is being brought up by the fizzing bubbles to the top and then sinking back down. So what's happening here is that the fizzing tablets, drop in some more, create carbon dioxide bubbles. So the bubbles rush to the top to escape the liquid, and while they're on their way up, they carry some of the food coloring drops with them. And then once the bubbles pop, the food coloring, like it did before, will sink back into the water, making this cool lava lamp effect. I'll drop the last one in for fun. So this lava lamp will keep going until there are no more fizzy tablets to break into gas. And then you can feel free to change the colors, use multiple colors. I used red because I thought it would look the most like lava, and it looks pretty cool.